The attack on Pearl Harbor occurred on December 7, 1941, when the Imperial Japanese Navy Air Service launched a surprise military strike on the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. This attack led to the United States' formal entry into World War II. The orchestrated assault was designed to debilitate the U.S. Pacific Fleet, thwarting any American intervention in Japan's planned expansion throughout Southeast Asia. In the hours that followed, over 2,400 Americans lost their lives, and more than 1,000 were wounded. Among the casualties was the USS Arizona, which was decimated by a catastrophic explosion that became an iconic symbol of the tragedy. 8 battleships were either destroyed or severely damaged, alongside numerous other vessels, aircraft, and facilities. The repercussions of this attack were profound and immediate. On December 8, 1941, the United States declared war on Japan, driven by a wave of collective outrage and resolve. This marked a significant turning point in global history as the U.S. entered World War II. In the days that followed, Germany and Italy, allies of Japan, declared war on the United States, thus drawing America fully into the conflict on both Pacific and European fronts. Despite the devastating immediate impact, the tactical objectives of the Japanese attack were not entirely fulfilled. Crucial American assets, such as aircraft carriers, were absent from Pearl Harbor at the time, and vital infrastructure, including oil storage facilities, remained untouched. President Franklin D. Roosevelt's powerful speech to Congress resonated with the American people, enshrining December 7, 1941, as a date which will live in infamy. The attack on Pearl Harbor is remembered not only as a day of immense loss but also as a pivotal event that spurred the United States into decisive action. This unexpected strike ignited a fervor across the nation, significantly influencing the course of World War II and leaving an indelible mark on history. It serves as a solemn reminder of the costs of war and the enduring spirit of a nation unified in the face of adversity.